welcome back to the channel. So I've been I usually have my channel up by 3 videos in advance, already waiting on Q to just schedule to play on Saturdays. I have fallen behind and I have none, so I still have to finish a diaper between family and a couple other things going on. I honestly haven't had a moment to just sit down and record a video, so priority will be to get the cloth diaper series done, and hopefully I'll be working on that tonight. But for now, I did have a couple things that I purchased recently, and this was supposed to be, one of them was supposed to be done before the 4th of July, but I just didn't get the chance to. But I went to Walmart and there was a ton of fabric on clearance, and they had these 2 yards for $8.50. So I grabbed this one. It's supposed to kind of match what we're doing in the living room, so I grabbed 2 of these for $8.50 a piece. Originally they were supposed to be something else, but $10.88. It's not too much of a discount, but I grabbed 2 of these. Next thing I have, it's going to be multiple things from different locations. Some of this is from Ross, dollar store, and then obviously that was from Walmart. So let me just get myself organized. So I went to Ross. I was looking for, I don't know what you call them. I call them treasure boxes, but they're these beautiful, either like really hard, like that box, but they look like a little treasure. The shape of it on top is like the chest for a treasure. And they had all these beautiful ones for boys, and that baby set at the gift that I'm working for, I've been looking now for weeks for one, and I have not been able to find one for a boy, so I finally gave up, and I ended up finding this instead. So this is a set of 2 for $2.99, and this is what this one says. So I thought they were really cute, so I'll probably just fill these 2 up and then drop this off at their front door. I know they've been really good about quarantining things like that, so I wouldn't want to just, you know, I just probably leave them at the front door, let them know it's there so they can open it and take it. This came from the dollar store. I'm gonna try my luck. I have another one that I still didn't use, but I went to Dollar Tree today, one of them, and they barely had anything out. But I have about 2-3 weeks ago purchased this, so this has been here for a little while now. We'll see. My mom can do this. I have not ever tried it. So I also found these at the dollar store. Now this was which one was this one? I don't remember which one exactly around here, but it's not the one I usually go to. They had a couple of different things in the crafting section. Mine's not as fortunate as all the other ones I see online where people are like, look at all these amazing things. That's the reason why I stopped by today, and no, none of mine. So I have other 2 I'm going to check. Maybe 3. There's 3 within 5 miles or less of each other, something like that. So, but anyways, I found this, so I thought maybe I could use this for weeding. The vinyl, I mean, it looks interesting. I mean, I hope it's sharp enough, so we'll see. And then I also found this, which I figured give it a try. I really could use these. I'm gonna insert a picture or a quick video of it. I did it for the 4th of July, and I got this from my mom. You take the popcorn cans from Christmas time, and you wrap those up or redecorate it or paint it, whatever you want to do with it. That's up to you. And you create a fake Christmas tree, and you can just decorate it for the whole year with, you know, Valentine's Day, Easter, etc. So I did a 4th of July theme, and it came out really cute, except that the day I needed the lights to work is when the day that the lights decided not to work. So yeah, when time comes to decorate it again, I'm going to take all the lights out, see if I have a brand new strand in the garage with all the Christmas stuff, and put new lights on it, or try to find which one is bad and then go on from there. I found this at Ross. Now, I went back and forth on this. I've been wanting to get a smaller one because I have a longer one. It was $14.99, compare value $25. I have some of the things from this brand, and I bought it from Walmart on clearance, and it's turned out to be really, really good. So I also purchased this. And let me see. It is 6 by 8.5 inches. So I just want a small one. I think will work out great. for stickers. I'm hoping that the blade's gonna be good. I mean, I purchased a couple things from this brand before and it's been good, so I figured give it a try. And then I also want to try these. Now I got this size and I also got this size. Now this one's 8 by 8. It brings 5 and I got them for $2.99, compare value at $5. They're thin, so I'm thinking that I can actually take these and put vinyl on them, use it with the heat press. So I'm gonna see how this goes, and depending how it works out, maybe I get some more of these and then use them. Same with these. These are 8 by 10, so they're just slightly bigger. They had other sizes. Well, they didn't have that many, but they had, I think, another size, but I decided to go with the 2 smaller ones just to try it out first. And this one does bring 10 of them, and again, they're the skinnier ones. So I'm thinking I can close the heat press on this and actually stick really well to it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm hoping I don't melt it either. We'll see. But that's basically everything that I have sitting on top of my desk that I kind of need to put away. I was just thinking there's one more video prior to this that I haven't edited that I'm going to put up first. I'm hoping to have some time to do the cloth diapers, to finish the cloth diaper series, and then sit down and do a lot of editing and put all those first, and then just continue on with the rest of the things. I've been busy also on doing a few things around here. We haven't finished the kitchen corner yet. That's partially my fault. I haven't ordered. We order the brackets or whatever you call them, but it was the wrong size, so that those need to be returned. I need to get the other ones, but they only had them on white. So I'm going to just order the white ones and then paint them black. Yes. So something else. Let's see what else I worked on besides worked. I've just been spending a lot of time with my son, and other than that, I'm trying to clear out, trying to find a way to clear out inventory, update all my Etsy stuff. I haven't really done much with my Etsy shop. I want to just sit down, update it all. There's going to be quite a few things that I'm going to price down just to go ahead and get them moving. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July. We did here. It turned out to be a very surprising and loving 4th of July. But yeah, with that being said, I'm going to end up this video here because I hope everyone is having a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you on the next video.